Hey people, Jay here, and I hope that you had a great start to your new year thus far. So welcome to all my returning subscribers as well as my new subscriber. So today's video is a collaboration, and Melinda of Plain and Simple has gotten together some other ladies here on YouTube that want to be a part of this challenge. So what each person is supposed to do is they are supposed to choose a number of items that they would like to declutter each day for the month of January. So we're going to see how that goes. I'm not sure if I will find 10 items per day, but I may. But it's always worth it to see what you can do by the end. Anyway, without further ado, let's get started with the video. Okay, so like I mentioned earlier before in the video, I have decided to declutter 10 items. So, this is my first item here. This is an angel. Just don't like it anymore. Most of these items, my style has changed, so that's the reason why I am going to be decluttering these items. So, this is one item, or I should say day one. This wreath here is yellowing. So I'm going to get rid of this. Christmas cards that I no longer need. These were from this year. They don't really hold too much of any sentimental value, so I don't need them, but that's 2 items, or the first 2 items. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next item here is this Christmas bag, 8, and these 2 stockings here. Although they're cute, I got them from Hobby Lobby a few years ago, but I just don't want them anymore. And this is 9 and 10. So that is day 1. Day 2 are these items here. Same thing. One of the things with these, I like them, but I don't like them. They're very messy. If you can see the white snow, or I don't know what you want to call that, but that's what it's supposed to resemble. I just don't like them because they're very messy. Before you know it, this stuff is all over the floor, and I just cannot deal with that any longer. So I'm going to be getting rid of these. It is 6 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 7, 8, 9, and 10. I'm going to get rid of this here. So that is day 2. Next items are these wise men to a nativity scene that I've had for some years, and I just decided that I just want to get another nativity scene a little later, but this particular one I'm just going to let it go. So let's go with the 10 items here for day 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so moving on to day 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yeah, these reindeers, although they are cute, but they're just not my style anymore. So I'm going to replace them with a different, maybe a different style reindeer. I don't know, but I just don't like them anymore. So I'm going to get rid of them. Now day 5, wow, this is going to actually end up being a little bit more than just day 5, but anyway, I have a lot of these wood pieces here, as you guys can see, and they're different sizes and different colors, but anyway, I have a lot of them and I just don't use them, and they're all in this Christmas bag, which is also something that I'm getting rid of. This is Christmas bag because I just don't have a need for it right now, and I just don't want it to be sitting around for a year for me to use it again, you know? So I'm going to let that go. 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, so then I have the rest of these items right here. We have these 2 snowflakes here. Just don't need these anymore because the snowflakes I have are a different style, different color. Then I have this ball here, ornaments here. Alright, so we have the last 30 items here. 10, 10, and 10. So that completes my 70 items for the week. That's my goal, to do about 70, well not about, to do 70 items because I'm doing 10 items per day. So these are all the items. Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I thank you so much for being here. Be sure to check out the playlist of all the ladies that are participating in the challenge. They will be doing their challenge or video on different days and different times. We're not all set to the same day and time. So just be sure to check out the playlist to see and get more motivation and inspiration of everyone else who decided to be a part of January's Declutter Pick Your Number Declutter Challenge. And I'll see you guys in the next one. And thank you, Melinda, for getting everyone together to do this challenge, because as you can see, I needed to get rid of some things. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one.